Hi learners, welcome to my another new video. Hope you all are doing very well and thank you so much for watching my videos. So today we are going to learn about 10 furniture and here we go. Number 1. Wardrobe. W A R D R O B E. Wardrobe. Number 2. Sofa. S O F A. Sofa. Number 3. Table. T A B L E. Table. Number 4. Cupboard. C U P B O A R D. Cupboard. Number 5. Bed. B E D. Bed. Number 6. Chair. C H A I R. Chair. Number 7. Bookshelf. B O O K S H E L F. Bookshelf. Number 8. Stool. S T O O L. Stool. Number 9. Dresser. D R E S S E R. Dresser. Number 10. Shoe rack. S H O E R A C K. Shoe rack. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you find this helpful, share with others. Bye bye.